So speaking of Pehla Pehla, today we are here to discuss top 5 acting debuts.
So for you, number 1 is Tushar Kapoor.
Number 1 was Godfather.
Godfather.
The range. एक फिल्म की PhD होनी चाहिए सिनेमा पे, शोले. And मेरा बेस्ट डेब्यू है अमजद खान. His first scene वो literally कितने आदमी थे?
What?
Yeah.
Kauna Pyara literally is 1 year.
Yeah.
1 year earlier or
1 year.
1 year earlier.
That's so
इसीलिए
crazy.
you played a character called Hrithik.
Oh हाँ, sorry.
I don't think ऐसा कोई हीरोइन का लॉन्च हुआ है जैसा कि दीपिका का हुआ था ओम शांति.
Yeah, I've said I'm pro nepotism on this podcast.
I love everyone.
दादाजी
दादाजी के टाइम से
podcast
podcast
करते हैं.
चौपाल में मैं
सुनो ऐसे करते थे.
He came in to talk about Godfather. He wore a t-shirt and I was like, Mihir
फिर
Virani.
मैंने सोचा था मैं अपनी फेवरेट फिल्म फिडलर ऑन द रूफ की बात करूंगा, वो भी सब लॉन्च था बहुत.
आप ये बात कर रहे हो, हम हिमेश रेशमिया और अमर उपाध्याय की बात कर रहे हैं. इस आदमी को जितना आप पसंद करते हो, उसने बोला है रणबीर कपूर बेटर डांसर है ऋतिक रोशन.
I never said it
इसने
like
बोला
that.
है अभी देओल ने अच्छा नाचा है सेनोरिटा में.
No, मैं
ऋतिक
क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
देन नाच उसके लिए कुछ और है.
कुछ और है. Yeah, he doesn't know what dancing is basically. Hi guys, welcome to Cine5. Very
Cine5.
nice. Yeah, you also do. Good
Cinephile.
man.
We've been trying ये
I do
Cinephile
this
का
only.
gesture.
Cinephile.
But
Nice.
Lovely. So
Nice.
nice
है ना?
you've done.
He's doing it better. I have not done it like that.
In case you haven't noticed already, we have Gopal Dutt with us and we have Mr. Karan Mirchandani also with us.
We have Gopal Dutt, writer, actor, and now
Everything.
And now
Extraordinary.
Podcaster.
Most importantly, he is
उसी
doing...
के लिए मैं यहाँ आया हूँ दोस्तों. सीधी बात.
No bakwas. He's doing IVM's latest new podcast called Pehla Pehla.
Pehla
And we
Pehla.
are very, very excited to watch it. Karan is working on Pehla Pehla as a
I am.
producer.
Karan is my director.
He's
Yeah.
his
And
director.
he's directing the podcast.
Very
and,
nice.
We had fun.
Yeah,
जो भी हमने
great
अभी
time.
तक एपिसोड्स शूट किए हैं और आगे भी मुझे आई होप मजा आएगा.
it's been great.
है
It's
ना?
been great so far. I've
हाँ.
been using it to get him on the Cine5 show.
Oh, lovely.
That is my plan.
Lovely.
I'm only selling out to different podcasts.
I know.
My entire
I'm
thing is
aware.
I'm just on podcast talking. That's all I'm doing.
So how does it feel to be now behind the scenes for once?
It's weird. I realize I'm more just
Yeah.
I'm okay with
You're an
talking.
attention seeker.
I'm an attention seeker.
Correct,
I
correct.
need people to validate me.
Love it.
So that's
love
what
it.
I need.
And so, with all the movies and everything you have done, how does it feel to now be
I
a
don't like
podcaster?
attention.
You don't like attention. You've chosen a great field then to work in. But how does podcasting feel?
Podcasting is fun because
It's
I'm
fun.
calling all my friends.
Yeah.
And it's like talking to a friend.
Yeah.
But they have amazing stories. I know that.
Okay.
Few of them I already know. So bringing out those stories, it's a great fun, and I hope it'll go like this only.
It will only.
I think they get more comfortable with him there. So like
Yeah.
it helps that they'll come on. I think if it was just like any host,
Yeah.
it would be uncomfortable and awkward.
Correct,
but because
correct.
it's a friend, it becomes like a chat.
Yeah, and it's
Kinda
great
like
also.
us,
So
Shrimi.
cute.
Like us, like a chat. Except
Like
we
a
end up
chat.
fighting on ours. Ours is not the same.
We are asked to fight. Producers asked to fight. Ask us to fight. While in
Who's
Pehla
the
Pehla, I
producer?
think
You-
who's
you
the
guys.
producer? No, you think? No one is trusting us with
We get
production
shows
here.
like your reality show होता है ना, like
Yeah.
those notes we get.
Yeah, we
get
get
notes like that कि और झगड़ा करो.
behave like Splitsvilla
थोड़ा
contestant.
conflict generate करो.
Correct. While Pehla Pehla sounds far more sweet
Nice.
and
It's
wholesome
a
and kind.
friendly show.
Friendly show, yeah.
It's a friendly show with lots of nostalgia and old stories. Yeah.
Love that.
So
Yeah.
speaking of Pehla Pehla and
Oh, great.
nostalgia,
Nice.
see, this
Karan
is,
should
you know,
only. Yeah,
you saw that? I only
sir,
operate in
a
segues.
genius at work. One must say.
Speaking of-
Nolan, who? Okay, sorry. Go on.
Speaking of Pehla Pehla,
हाँ.
we are talking about
Pehla movies.
Pehla debuts, films.
तो Pehla
Ah.
debut.
Pehla
होगी,
Pehla is
correct?
debut.
Pehla
So
Pehla
I've said
is
it 3
debut.
times.
Yeah.
Pehla Pehla.
Say it 5 times because it's in a 5.
PPPs. So today we are here to discuss.
PP.
Sorry. Today
down. हाँ,
Today
sorry.
we are here to discuss top 5 acting debuts. right?
Yes.
So-
Bollywood.
Yes.
I know Sir is in a
मैं तो
Godfather.
मुझे जब बोला गया था मुझे लगा कि डेब्यू फिल्म किसी का भी
किसी
हाँ.
का भी.
तो दिस इज द आई थिंक ग्रेटेस्ट डेब्यू
Of a director.
many people.
Yes.
Yes.
I mean
Yeah.
of the
okay.
writer, of the director and
Correct.
Correct.
Al Pacino.
Al Pacino.
So
Wow,
मुझे
bro.
लगा था
That's
कि
crazy.
हाँ have you seen this
That's crazy.
series called
The Offer, no? No, I haven't seen it.
you
I've heard
should.
it's fantastic.
It is
It's
amazing.
entirely about the making of the Godfather, right?
Is the story true कि Al Pacino को they didn't want to take?
They didn't
want to
take him,
right?
yes.
They want to उसको आधे से निकालने वाले थे.
हाँ
हाँ.
वही.
Coppola really fought for him. He really believed in his
and then
casting.
उन्होंने वो सीन शूट किया रेस्टोरेंट वाला.
हाँ.
Correct,
तब
correct.
फिर उन्होंने जबकि वो शेड्यूल में they were planning it later.
Correct.
But फिर वो because producers were the studio was not happy with the Al Pacino casting. Then he shot this thing before schedule and showed them to the
What he's made of.
studio, and then the studio said
मतलब like an on-set audition.
Yeah.
For the producers.
Yeah.
yeah.
But see,
scary.
fate has such a big part to play in this also, right?
Yeah.
Like it's just because I mean, while I was listing out the debuts, there are some names in the list which had like the best debuts ever, and then their careers went nowhere. And that's like it's crazy how much fate has to play a part, because if
Correct.
Pacino hadn't done that scene before and they would have removed him from the movie,
Correct.
they would have gotten some not as good as him. So I think even De Niro auditioned for this role, but they liked him. Then they put him in the part in the second
Part
part
Wow.
Yeah.
as Vito. But The Godfather is insane.
I mean, yeah.
Fascinating.
Insane.
Pretty good movie, Godfather.
Very, I think it's
Yeah, underrated.
Underrated gem Godfather. No one knows who these
Niche
guys
film.
are. Indie cinema.
Nobody is making t-shirts.
No, what you've gotten this custom
तो कोई नहीं
made.
कर रहा. It's fine.
But so who is starting this?
First, we'll take a break so Cyrus's ad can come.
No. I can't say that. Okay, Cyrus's time. It's nothing more than an old man just ranting and raving and saying whatever he wants and thinking he can get away with it.
Hey, hello.
There's no nepotism here.
Entitled, spoiled, and need 2 tight slaps.
You want to take him seriously?
मुझसे friendship करोगे?
Thank you for giving me a
Can I be
purpose,
fair?
Cyrus.
Some smart people, some people who think they are smart, some over smart people, some people who are so smart they've come here for no reason. New episodes every Monday, Wednesday and Friday on YouTube and every other audio platform. Watch the show, check it out and give us your feedback. And as usual, you just ignore it. Oh, what is the word? Subscribe. Manje? What means?
Okay, welcome back to Cine5.
Cine5.
Okay, talking about the Godfather की बात की. Bhagwan. Anyway, forget it.
Do you want to give out that disclaimer? Should we do that? Should we?
Yeah, let's. Okay, just I'm pretty sure Gopal will never deal with this, but we are dealing with this on a regular basis. Guys, हम लोग को गालियाँ देना बंद करो. हम लोग critics नहीं हैं. Okay, हम लोग यहाँ पर पता नहीं क्यों hire किया है IBM ने हमको. I don't know. We are
Yeah.
just here to do time pass, and Karan and I get along, so I guess that's what
Yeah.
works, or it doesn't. I don't know anymore. But we are not critics. We are not telling you कि ये film देखो, ये film नहीं देखो. मेरे को welcome नहीं पसंद है, नहीं पसंद है. I can't help it. आपके comments are not going to change my mind.
Welcome got people really
अच्छा,
upset.
by the way,
It got very
critics से
relevant.
मुझे याद है,
हाँ,
have you
बोलिए ना.
guys seen this film called History of the World?
हिंदी
Mel
film
Brooks. नहीं.
No, I have not seen
No,
it.
I haven't seen.
अरे,
I haven't seen.
अरे.
I haven't seen.
तो वो तो must watch है.
Must
Mel
watch.
Brooks का History of the World.
Okay.
उसमें पहला
हाँ.
पहली ऐसे शुरू होती है फिल्म की, एक केव है जिसमें एक ऐसा स्टोन एज का
हाँ,
आदमी
हाँ.
कुछ एक पेंटिंग बनाता है, और ऐसे वो जो कि एक हिरन और ऐसे
हाँ.
हंटिंग का एक वो बनाता है ऐसे पत्थर से, और फिर कैप्शन आता है द फर्स्ट आर्टिस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड.
Nice.
हाँ?
Nice.
फिर
Okay.
एक दूसरा आदमी आता है और उस पे मूत देता है. तो उसने लिखा आता है फर्स्ट क्रिटिक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड.
Yeah, so we are that.
So that's what
we are
we're
just
doing.
peeing.
Sorry for peeing on your cave painting.
It's not even your cave painting, brother. They've not made the movie.
But that's the other thing. No, people get very attached to the cave painting.
Through the cave
That's the third
painting.
part. The audience that's around the cave. क्यों मूत रहा है? That's
I
that's also there,
think.
no?
Okay, fair. I think
Yeah.
I would react in a similar way for my first pick.
Oh,
Bringing us
interesting.
back to the topic.
Yes.
Yeah.
My first best debut, in my opinion. Acha, should we do the Hrithik Roshan or should we do the Hrithik Roshan
You
later?
say it. It's okay. बोल दो.
I करण के लिस्ट में है ऋतिक रोशन.
Yes.
मैं अभी से ही बता रही हूँ सबको. मेरे लिस्ट में ऋतिक रोशन नहीं है because I think ऋतिक रोशन cannot be in this. He is too good. He is his debut. It was earth-shattering, mind-blowing,
हाँ, that was a
life-changing.
mania.
I don't
Like,
think वैसा कुछ replicate हो सकता
that
है.
much buzz for a
That
debuting
kind of
actor has not happened since.
intensity, because it was at the right cusp of a lot of media also, but not social media. I don't know. It was literally a mania, as you said. तो I don't know अगर वो हो सकता है. तो I meant him, जैसे हमारी फिल्म क्रेडिट्स में आता था ना, and above all राजकुमार. तो मैंने इस लिस्ट में and above all ऋतिक रोशन लिख दिया है, because I'm like वो डेब्यू मैं हो गया मतलब. और हमने अपने नेपो किड्स वाले एपिसोड में बात की है काफी ऋतिक के
Also,
बारे में.
interesting thing to
हाँ.
note, our guest here
Yes,
was in a movie
I agree.
called
I know.
मुझे कुछ कहना है,
Do you remember?
I
where
remember.
he
Okay.
played
Little
a
bit.
character named Hrithik.
Hrithik, yes. And a girl falls for you because your name is Hrithik.
हाँ,
I remember
something
that.
like
What
that.
was that? Do you remember this at all? Like, what was that experience?
मतलब
Like?
vaguely.
Vaguely.
मुझे कुछ कहना है. Good songs.
Yeah, good songs.
Good songs.
That's
yeah.
what we'll say.
Yeah.
That's also a debut film.
That's
That's
also
also
a debut
debut.
film of Tushar Kapoor.
Yeah.
Is it Tushar Kapoor
Yes.
It is his
Oh,
debut
wow.
film. Not on this list for some reason.
That's,
Why have you not
that's
put
on
it?
my list.
Yeah. Oh, nice. We've got his.
I love it. I love it. I
Yeah.
think Gopal sir is going to make his list as we go.
Yeah.
As we're having this conversation. So for you, number one is Tushar Kapoor.
Number one was Godfather. Al
Godfather.
Pacino.
Godfather.
Second is the range.
I've always said that
I've
Al
always
Pacino
said.
and then Tushar
Tushar
Kapoor.
Kapoor. That's
Sorry to Tushar Kapoor fans. He's number 2.
I think even Tushar Kapoor will be very happy with this ranking. I don't think. But
Okay.
talking about the Godfather.
But ये ranking memory पे based है.
सेम ये
कि
सब
जो
वाइब्स
याद
पे
आए।
बेस्ड है. ये सब वाइब्स पे बेस्ड है गाइस. हम लोग कोई पीएचडी नहीं कर रहा है सिनेमा पे, बट एक फिल्म की पीएचडी होनी चाहिए सिनेमा पे, इन माय ओपिनियन एटलीस्ट, शोले. एंड मेरा बेस्ट डेब्यू है अमजद खान इन शोले. I think technically he had done a role in a previous movie also, but in the slate of Sholay, उसमें introducing Amjad Khan है, so I'm going to take it as his
हाँ,
Hindi
introducing
film.
मतलब must
कर दिया
debut.
introduce ना, तो ये हिंदी फिल्म में
But
अमजद
एक
खान
चीज आप
थे.
लोगों को समझनी पड़ेगी.
बताइए.
जैसे आप लोग ऋतिक रोशन भी कह रहे हैं ना,
हाँ.
he acted as a child ना.
Yes,
So
correct.
there is a difference between debut and launch.
Yes, actually launch
So
should
launch
be 5
is-
launches.
हाँ.
Launches.
Yeah,
हाँ.
5
जैसे
launches.
ये-
Absolutely.
हाँ.
Banging.
That's a good
yeah,
point.
Yeah, yeah. Good
Correct.
point.
That's
a
Good
good
point.
point.
Very good.
Because
जैसे
you know,
आमिर खान का भी वो लॉन्च है.
Correct.
कयामत से
क़यामत तक. क्या?
QSQT.
Yes.
वो
yes.
लॉन्च है, इट्स नॉट अ डेब्यू.
Correct.
क्योंकि
correct.
डेब्यू उससे पहले उन्होंने बचपन में भी की थी, फिर
यादों की
उन्होंने
बारात.
होली नाम की एक फिल्म
हाँ,
की है.
Correct.
हाँ, सही बात है.
So-
Yeah, see, we have a fact checker amongst us. The launch of Amjad Khan, which happened in Sholay, the director apparently really wanted Danny Denzokpa to play Gabbar
yes.
Singh's role. And much like Al Pacino, they were not happy with Amjad Khan's performance in the first schedule of the movie. Because I think Salim Javed really pitched for him to get the role. But then Javed Akhtar himself was, this is all online, I don't know, I'm not like asked Javed Akhtar personally what his thoughts are, so don't. But he was not very happy with his voice. And he was taking a lot of pressure, Amjad Khan, to play this role. And his first scene when he was shooting was literally Kitne Aadmi The wala,
What?
which is his actual
Like
on
the
screen
scene.
in Sholay,
Yeah.
also his
Ooh,
first appearance. But man, what a performance! What
Yeah.
a movie! And I think his character became so popular when Sholay came out that Britannia for the first time hired a villain to be a brand ambassador of their biscuits, and the sales
Oh,
doubled
yeah.
because that's how iconic Amjad Khan was in Sholay, that he was then stuck to the Gabbar Singh persona
And you see that
and the
cast
name.
list, no? Like Sanjeev Kumar, there's everyone.
It's an all-star cast,
it's-
bro. It has superstars from the get-go.
And I think the
In
most
every-
quoted is
Gabbar Singh.
I think that
What a
character is
character.
iconic.
What
Yeah.
a vibe. What a line. I love. R.I.P. Amjad Khan. Miss you
Though
forever.
the screen time is very less.
Very less. That's
yes,
another thing.
actually,
He's actually not there that
It's
much.
not.
Yeah,
It's there
yeah.
for just 16-18 minutes.
Correct.
So-
क्या दहशत फैलाई है
I feel like you
It's
started
amazing.
really well, huh? This
है
is
ना?
a big,
My number one
this is a big
was-
one, and
Yeah,
now
yeah,
you've set up. Everyone knows what my number one is.
Hrithik.
Yeah, so now
So
you've
it's
set me
okay.
up here.
So Hrithik is also great launch,
Yeah,
यार.
yeah,
मतलब it's just
But
different.
I really like this pick because the thing is, it doesn't feel like a debut.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It feels like an actor that is so seasoned that he's done this
Yeah.
for a
yeah.
really long time. Or the first big
और काफी
position that he's
बार
gotten at
जब हम
this.
लोग लॉन्चेस और डेब्यूज ये सब के बारे में सोच रहे, वी डोंट थिंक ऑफ अ विलेन का लॉन्च, राइट? लाइक ज्यादातर फोकस
Yeah, true.
हीरो पे ही होता है.
True, true.
पर धर्मेंद्र, अमिताभ बच्चन ऑलरेडी उस टाइम पे स्टार बन गए थे, आई थिंक आ गई थी उनकी जंजीर, तो आ गई थी.
हाँ, Zanjeer was
बट yeah,
Nah,
having
he was a big star.
He was a big
yeah,
star
he
by
was a
then.
big star by the time. I
Ah.
think he got Sholay before Zanjeer released and everything. He got it during his flop era, basically. But by the time Sholay came
had
out,
made
he
it.
was a huge star.
Let's just get my number one out of the way
हाँ,
then.
ठीक है. बोलो.
My number one, Hrithik Roshan.
Surprise,
Kaho Na Pyar Hai.
surprise!
Surprise! Shocking.
No one
In
thought
shocking
so.
news, I have put
What film?
Kaho Na Pyar Hai.
Have you heard of it?
उसने बताया.
Other hidden gems. Kaho Na Pyar Hai. This is a list of. You're gonna find out about cinema today.
Truly. But
But I think with Hrithik, it's the mania that followed.
Yeah.
You know, like the
Yeah.
release is its own thing, but the craze for him and the fact that it released around the same time that a Shah Rukh movie released.
Yes.
You know, Fir Bhi Dil Hindustani comes out with
Yeah.
Aziz Mirza.
Yeah.
And a movie that's aged pretty well. I
Very
would say.
well actually. फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी अभी काफी relevant
Feels
लगती
very
है.
relevant right now.
For reasons we are not going to get into because we like our lives.
Yeah.
But yeah.
The fact that this kid came and his movie did.
अरे.
I remember not wanting to. I was a Shah Rukh guy. No?
Same.
तो मेरे को I felt like यार
क्या
इसकी
कर रहा है
picture
ये
नहीं
आदमी?
देखनी मुझे.
हाँ.
Who's this guy?
हाँ.
You know, but then when you went and
Yeah.
obviously as a kid you're not critiquing the plot and all.
Of course.
नहीं यार उसके जब प्रोमोज आए थे
हाँ.
उसका ट्रेलर आया तो मतलब he was so
क्या
good
Yeah,
looking और वो
what a good
डांस
looking guy.
The dance
man.
मतलब वो
तो-
डांस
the
ऐसा
dance
लग
तो
रहा था
different-
कैसे कोई ऐसा डांस
Don't
कर
look at
सकता
me,
है
don't look at me.
इसने बोला है पता
No, I
है एक
didn't
पॉडकास्ट
say
एक
this.
एपिसोड में इस आदमी को जितना आप पसंद करते हो इसने बोला है रणबीर कपूर बेटर डांसर है ऋतिक रोशन.
I never
अरे,
said it
इसने
like
बोला
that.
है अभी
Listen,
देओल ने
listen.
अच्छा नाचा है सेनोरिटा में
No, मैं
ऋतिक
क्या बोल रहा
देन
था?
ही नाच उसके लिए कुछ और है
कुछ और है. Yeah, he doesn't know what dancing is.
डांस
basically.
मींस
नहीं, मैं क्या-
समथिंग एल्स फॉर हिम
नहीं, see, this is not fair. What I was
I
saying.
know. I'm joking. He said in context to the song
मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो
Senorita.
कैरेक्टर है उसका वो इतना अच्छा डांसर क्यों है? That's my problem with Hrithik.
अरे लेता
Every
होगा
movie
डांस
that he
क्लासेस यार
plays,
साइड में जो नहीं
वो
दिखाते
वो
हैं.
मतलब वो स्टॉक ब्रोकर भी अच्छा डांसर ही है. मतलब
क्यों नहीं होगा?
his characters always dance well. Abhay Deol
हाँ.
in that
हाँ,
song
हाँ.
is dancing like a
Like a
guy at a
regular guy
bachelor
would.
party.
Yes. पर मुझे
know?
रेगुलर गाइस
I
की
didn't
फिल्म
say
नहीं
Hrithik is a
देखनी
bad
है. मुझे
dancer.
सुपरस्टार के लिए फिल्म्स देखनी है और ऋतिक रोशन सुपरस्टार है. क्या नाचता
Why
है?
are you saying it like Madhur
It's
Bhandarkar's
too much fun.
film?
Suddenly, I'm like Hrithik Roshan super. Yeah, big fan of Hrithik.
Shout out to
Phenomenal.
Hrithik, big fan. We can
Yeah.
move on from Hrithik.
We
I'm
can
fine.
हाँ कर लिया.
I've said
बात
a lot of
पे.
nice
आपको कुछ
things
बोलना
about
है ऋतिक पे?
बिल्कुल.
How did you feel playing Hrithik in? मुझे कुछ कहना है.
आई डोंट रिमेम्बर
Good. I don't.
बेस्ट वे टू अवॉइड दैट
I don't remember
I don't
anything.
remember.
I love it. Second, मेरा list बहुत basic है guys. I'm not except maybe 1-2 names. My number 2 is Ranveer Singh in Band Baja Bharat.
Oh, you've taken my.
Because ना ये पर्सनली ये फिल्म के लिए मेरी जीरो एक्सपेक्टेशन थे. मैंने
हाँ.
वो एवे गाना देखा टीवी पे और आई लाइक श्योर कौन है ये व्हाटएवर. वायरफ की फिल्म है, डिडंट केयर. अनुष्का शर्मा एज आई हैव सेड बिफोर ऐसी कोई मुझे लगती नहीं है कि मैं
Stop
उसके लिए
saying it.
फिल्म
You're just-
देखने
this is
जाऊंगी.
saying it to hurt my
I know,
feelings.
I'm just
हाँ,
saying.
come on,
मैं
Yeah, वही.
I'm just setting context कि I had zero expectations और फिर जब फिल्म चालू हुई और मैंने रणवीर
बहुत
सिंह
अच्छी
को
फिल्म।
देखा स्क्रीन पे, I was like क्या चल क्या रहा है भाई, who is this guy? And मुझे literally लगा they picked someone from Delhi to play this role.
हाँ,
फिर
correct.
पता चला he's a Bandra kid and same whatever, like the whole history of Ranveer Singh came out and I was like who is this guy, he's crazy. और मुझे genuinely बहुत मजा आया रणवीर सिंह को बड़े पर्दे पे देखने के लिए. And that's why I thought that was a great debut for an
Yeah.
actor like him because
He
he's so
He's
versatile.
a great
He's
actor and
so
superstar
versatile.
जो कि
Yeah.
बहुत
Great combination.
हाँ बहुत रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन
बहुत रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन
सुपरस्टार विद ग्रेट एक्टिंग स्किल.
करेक्ट. उसके
So
पास वो
वो
ऑरा भी है, उसके
सब
पास वो
कुछ है.
स्किल्स भी है.
मैं आपको एक ऐसा कोट देता हूँ जो मैं
बताओ ना.
रणवीर सिंह के लिए बोलता हूँ कि वो
हाँ.
फिल्मों में रियल है
Yeah.
और रियल लाइफ में फिल्मी है.
That's
That
great.
is
That
so
actually
true.
encapsulates
Yes.
everything about him.
Yes.
It's
Because also
crazy.
the perception of Ranveer as being only the over the top character is not
हाँ.
true.
It's not true.
Because we've seen him in this, we've seen him in
he was
Lotera.
Gully Boy,
Gully boy all the
Lotera,
time.
wow.
Even Dhurandhar for that matter, in
Yeah.
the first
Silent,
part,
yeah.
he's very subdued.
Yeah. I remember watching Band Baja with my dad and
हाँ.
we were rewatching it.
Okay.
And I was like, we were just thinking, it feels like he came ready. Like,
Yeah.
like he had been
बहुत
waiting this
effortless.
whole time. The hungry, like
Correct,
that hunger
correct.
you see on screen ki,
Yeah.
मुझे करना है.
Yeah.
I want to make it and this has to be. And it was like, he slipped into that role perfectly. That chemistry
Yeah.
with Anushka was also
Yeah,
amazing.
it was fantastic. Genuinely.
But I've never seen an actor just take a debut that seriously and go, no, I won't give them a chance only.
Absolutely,
Because if you think about the
flawless.
perception of that film,
Yeah.
it is one of those word of mouth movies.
Correct.
It had one of the like you said, one of the
No
lowest
one
opening
cared.
weekends
And then
of,
suddenly people were like, what is this movie? It's a lot of
became
fun.
undeniable.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think, and I also really like that Yash Raj era of films where they were making that, वो startup का,
Yeah.
there was a Band Baja Bharat, Rocket Singh.
They used to make these
Badmaash
mid-budget.
Company.
Yeah.
Those kind of movies, that mid-budget ki,
Correct, with
all,
great songs.
They're all trying to make some company
Something
work.
happen, yeah.
That
Bunty
is the-
Bubbly where they're chores.
Bunty
I
Bubbly
love.
where they're
favorite.
thieves. Yeah.
मुझे चोर्स बहुत पसंद है यार. चोर लोग मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Even Rabni is that Punjab Power company or whatever.
Yeah. Little there middle class era
They were trying
actually.
So I really like those films. They felt very like refreshing.
Yeah.
And seeing all these big actors play
हाँ.
these roles, damn fun.
आपको अनुष्का शर्मा पसंद है बहुत?
बहुत.
Oh wow, interesting.
Thank you. I have a supporter. Yes.
उसके
Okay.
उसके बहुत सारे कारण हैं कि एक तो शी इज प्रिटी, शी इज अ गुड
Of
एक्टर
course.
एंड शी इज फ्रॉम उत्तराखंड.
अच्छा, okay, ठीक है,
मेरा
ठीक है.
अपना.
Cool, fine, fair.
Also,
आप-
she's a Manyavar ad ambassador.
अबे कौन हर लोग मान्यवर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स हैं. मान्यवर
तो हमको दे रहा है क्या मान्यवर?
पता
I'm
नहीं,
just-
sponsor
अरे,
us.
सर मैं जो भी नाम बोलूंगा ना, I'll just
हाँ.
say a bunch of names.
हाँ,
जो
whoever
जो भी देख ले
जो दे दे.
कि देखो ये बोल देता है नाम.
मान्यवर हमें क्यों करेगा
I don't
पर
know. But you know that
फिर हमको
Manyavar.
वो पहन के बैठना पड़ेगा शादी के कपड़े पहन के.
ये
You know
भगवान.
everything. No, never mind. नहीं.
नहीं फिर वो होगा ना उसका स्पेशल एपिसोड
हाँ,
की बेस्ट
दिवाली
मैरिज
special.
Best
स्टोरीज.
marriage.
उस एपिसोड पे भी आप
DDLJ.
गेस्ट होंगे. They will sponsor us only when you come, I think, and then
Yeah, that's what we'll do. Instead of-
Yeah, we need to use
This episode, you'll hear me only say brand names. Someone bring this Nescafe one more.
we need shut up. We need to use Gopal sir's goodwill to get people.
Yeah.
Yeah, because okay, now you say no, your number 2.
Oh, my number 2. Huh?
Yeah.
Arey yaar, okay. You have actually taken my number 2.
Arey?
Now, my number 2 was Ranveer.
Oh.
But now I'm going with, you mentioned the director of this movie
हाँ.
before in a not nice way.
हाँ.
But Vivek Oberoi and Company is
Oh,
my
yeah.
pick.
Okay. I
And
listen,
that was
Ram Gopal
his,
Verma in general is great.
debut.
Debut.
That was his
Eh,
debut.
Vivek
Yes,
Oberoi?
yes,
Vivek Oberoi.
No, no.
Yes, it
Yeah,
was.
he
Are
did,
you sure?
he did
Yeah.
Satya and Company.
No,
Those are the two
Company
movies.
released first and
Yeah,
Satya
Company
came
released
later.
first. I think he might have shot Satya first. Not
That I
sure.
don't know. But
But-
हाँ, I think
Company-
Satya was
No,
the
no.
debut.
No,
I
Company.
checked.
Okay.
This was even I had this thing. Either way, I actually want to talk about both of them because
Yeah.
in that year,
Yeah.
he does Company and Satya,
Yeah.
which are two completely different roles. I think it's one of the best first like opening 2 films of an
Absolutely.
actor.
What a
the way that he
fantastic-
started.
yeah.
कि मतलब वो he's playing literally a Ram Gopal Verma hero,
Yeah.
which is very much of that
Anti-hero,
underworld,
yeah.
that kind of angry,
Yeah.
intense. You know, he's got a real short temper. मतलब वो किसी
और
पे भी
भाई
he gets
अजय
in-
देवगन जैसे वेटरन एक्टर के साथ ही वाज लाइक प्रीटी ऑन पॉइंट,
yeah,
प्रीटी
yeah.
ऑन पार.
मोहनलाल.
मोहनलाल,
Mohanlal,
oh my god,
nice.
yeah, what a cast. मैं भूल गई.
हाँ.
कंपनी इज अ
I
वेरी
love-
मुझे अभी आज तक भी याद है उसके डायलॉग. मोहनलाल का एक डायलॉग था जो मैं इतना रिपीट करता हूँ.
बोलिए ना.
और उसने इतने बढ़िया ढंग से बोला है ना हिंदी में
हाँ.
कि हमारे केरल में एक कहावत है, सांप का दोस्ती जब तक है तब तक है,
नाइस
अब तू समझ.
नाइस वेरी नाइस.
है ना?
But I love this thing where he'll always get a cop like midway through the film, or
Yeah.
like half an hour in.
Yeah,
There'll be this gangsters, they're doing their
हाँ,
thing.
हाँ.
Half an hour in, there'll be a cop. But and the introduction of Mohanlal was amazing.
हाँ, कि
कि
एक
ये सब जब
आदमी-
हो रहा था तो पुलिस सो नहीं रही थी and it cuts to Mohanlal sleeping. It is such a good shot.
love.
Unbelievable, very funny.
No,
and I
yeah.
love like Vivek Oberoi's character. No, he's just like he's so entrepreneur. Like he has
Yes.
that thing ki I'll
Yeah.
make it in this business.
Yeah.
So he is like Ajay Devgan knows that he's a loose cannon कि वो कुछ भी बोल देगा. But I have to keep him because
Yeah.
otherwise he'll join someone else.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
is the feeling. And like I love that dynamic. He still has that moral core कि मुझे I don't want to kill a kid.
Yeah.
I don't want to kill. So there's a scene, amazing scene. I think it was shot inside a car because it started raining actually.
Okay.
So there's a scene where I think 2 people have betrayed Ajay Devgan and they are talking shit about him. वो गाड़ी में बैठ गए and Ajay Devgan is sitting in the car already.
Nice.
And they're both Vivek Oberoi and I are sitting and they're brothers, the
Yeah.
people that have come in. तो वो बोल रहा है कि यार मुझे मत मारना, वो मतलब मेरे भाई को मत मारना, मुझे मार दो.
Okay.
Like please, you know he's young, he won't like you can kill me, I know you're going to kill me.
Yeah.
But भाई को मत मारना. So he kills him,
हाँ.
but then he also kills the brother.
Of course.
And then Vivek
As you
Oberoi is
should.
like, Vivek Oberoi is like, ये, he's like, why would you do that?
हाँ.
He's like, अभी वो डरा हुआ है, जब
हाँ.
घर जाएगा तो गुस्सा होगा,
हाँ.
और फिर बदले पे उतरेगा. What a
Absolutely.
scene that is. Like that. That's when you realize इनका core conflict
Correct.
is going to be this. कि Vivek Oberoi is an honorable man, and Ajay Devgan will do anything.
I'm team Ajay Devgan.
Team Ajay Devgan.
मार दो.
But I
दोनों
love-
को.
I love
अरे वो
company.
विटनेस है. पागल हो गया.
No, it's the.
मैंने लॉ की पढ़ाई की है गाइस. मुझे पता है क्या करना.
Is this the moment where I mentioned that it was based on Dav the Brand?
And he was Chota Rajan, no?
Yeah, he was Chota
Based
Rajan.
on allegedly.
Yeah. They say the dialogue very.
Yeah.
Hey, what does he say? Malik,
हाँ.
तू और तेरी कंपनी.
Nice.
Malik.
Malik. हाँ.
तू और तेरी कंपनी खलास.
And then cut to Khalas.
was
Great.
the interval.
What an item number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great
item number. Isha Kopika's debut नहीं था वो.
नहीं, I don't think so.
That was a revival of her career. Now we will take a break because we have said lots of things.
लाइफ में कोई भी चीज़ हो, पहली चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. पहली मेमोरी, पहला प्यार, पहला हार्ट ब्रेक, पहला काम. दोस्तों मैं हूँ गोपाल दत्त और ये है मेरा पहला पॉडकास्ट, पहला विद गोपाल दत्त, जो रिलीज होगा ऑन IVM पॉप. मैं बातें करूंगा उन दिग्गज लोगों के साथ जो अपने काम में दिग्गज हैं, जिनका नाम हम सब जानते हैं। तो आइए YouTube के IVM पॉप चैनल पर या जहां भी आप पॉडकास्ट सुनते हैं, सुनिए हमारा पॉडकास्ट, मिलिए इंटरेस्टिंग लोगों से। पहला विद गोपाल दत्त।
We are back.
Yeah,
We're
are
so
Oh,
back.
We are back without going anywhere.
We didn't go anywhere.
Number 3 is again, right? क्या डेब्यू है भाई, दीपिका पादुकोण, ओम शांति ओम। मैंने रिसेंटली फिर से देखी ओम शांति ओम। मैं ओम शांति ओम
I love
देखती
Om
रहती हूँ
Shanti Om.
काफी बार, मुझे वो फिल्म बहुत पसंद है। My jaw dropped again looking at her. क्या what a firstly gorgeous। दीपिका पादुकोण मैं
Yeah.
जानती थी, आई थिंक उसने एक कोलगेट या क्लोजअप का ऐड किया था, this before she was launched in Bollywood.
Again, it's not a debut, it's a launch.
It's a launch because the debut was a South movie,
South
ऐश्वर्या
movie
करके।
और फिर एक म्यूजिक वीडियो भी
नाम
था।
है तेरा, that's what I was
नाम है
getting
तेरा,
to.
correct.
Correct.
Where she
Himesh.
did a song with Himesh Reshamya. And again, I was like, क्या लग, she's gorgeous, this girl,
Yeah.
you know, बहुत, she's very pretty.
Yeah.
And फिर वो आ गई ओम शांति ओम में, और मेरा, I was like, क्या चल क्या रहा है ये, this is perfect, क्या casting की है। Just, yeah, looking at her on screen, I think after a while, and even now, I think सारी actresses बहुत सुंदर है, हर चीज़, but दीपिका थोड़ी otherworldly लगती है, थोड़ी godly
Yeah.
लगती है मुझे, at least screen पे when I'm watching her. So I get very like a little baap re, what is going on when she enters the screen. And I think Farah Khan did a fantastic job showing her to be this dreamy girl, you know, the whole conversation around her and taking this review. And yeah, I think Deepika का, I don't think ऐसा कोई, at least अभी के recently टाइम में ऐसा कोई हीरोइन का लॉन्च हुआ है जैसा कि दीपिका का हुआ था ओम शांति।
Hey, her voice was dubbed, no?
It was dubbed, fully dubbed,
no?
fully
Who's-
dubbed.
Who's that?
I think it's this lady
who's that
called
dubbing
Mona
artist?
Ghosh, जो बहुत सारी एक्ट्रेसेस का करती है। उसने राज में बिपाशा बासु का भी डबिंग
Correct.
किया
She
था।
does all the
I
launch.
hope this is
सब
the
launch
correct
का
one.
dubbing she
Yeah.
does.
I have
Yeah.
no idea.
वो हमेशा there's one
दीपिका की
voice.
वॉइस नहीं थी ओम शांति
Oh,
ओम में।
There's
अच्छा।
there's one actress that does all the launched actors.
Correct,
the
correct.
first couple of movies.
Yeah.
When the directors are like, इसकी voice का पता नहीं, we're not sure yet.
Yeah.
You know, especially
इसकी
with
हिंदी
some
का पता नहीं।
हिंदी का पता नहीं actually.
correct.
And then in the I think in the men there's a guy like who did John's voice and
Right.
all in Jism.
Oh,
All of
okay,
that. Jism
okay.
not on my list.
Must be Vikram Bhatt. He used to do a lot of
Vikram Bhatt used to
Hindi,
do.
like
I
in
think
his
this,
own
no, this is a
films.
different guy. We'll have to find
अच्छा
out.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो
But yeah.
find out and tell us
But
comments
I
में।
think I love Deepika.
हाँ।
But for me, like her arrival was Cocktail, right? Where everyone went
नहीं
like,
यार,
oh, look at
मेरे
her.
लिए तो ओम शांति ओम
You liked her,
I
no?
loved
ओम
her in
शांति ओम तो यार
Oh,
She
बहुत
is
ही-
amazing. The
हाँ,
film
मतलब-
is incredible.
लगी है,
It's one of my
हाँ।
favorite movies.
नहीं, I know what you're talking about. Acting उसने बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छी कॉकटेल से चालू की।
Correct.
पर मुझे तो
एक्टिंग तो
ओम
की
शांति
है
ओम-
पीकू में यार,
Yeah,
दोनों
yeah,
ने।
yeah, yeah, yeah.
हो
Phenomenal.
What a
दोनों
lovely film.
इरफान
What a
और
lovely film.
मतलब
All-
इतना सुंदर केमिस्ट्री है वो दोनों
I
का।
swear,
Oh,
I swear. That was-
amazing.
And I think दीपिका ने भी बात की है इसके बारे में, वैसे like एक ही फिल्म मैंने की थी इरफान खान के साथ, but that was my favorite on screen chemistry, like you know coupling. I
So
think
much
she,
said without saying, which is a rare thing. You
What
know,
a
they don't actually
beautiful-
say ki I like you.
Yeah.
She's not I like.
Yeah, it's so low-key.
But we all get it.
Yeah.
We all understood. So I
That's
think.
true.
But
People
yeah,
बहुत
I तो love
अच्छी
Om Shanti Om. I like that arc of Deepika's character. Her sort of thing कि वो on screen तो is this larger than life person, but behind the scenes is this hurt
Yeah.
partner. कि उसको
Yeah.
लग रहा है कि the director doesn't care about her. वो what's
Yeah.
it not
The
director,
producer,
producer.
Mukesh Mehra. Call me Mike. Everyone in
So
Hollywood
he's treating
does.
her very badly, you know. So that.
अरे
so
he's treating her badly. He's gotten her pregnant and he's like, चल
Yeah,
picture
yeah,
कर।
yeah.
And she's like, भाई हम शादीशुदा है, बता दो world को। And he's like,
And he's
नहीं।
not wanting to tell
And he's
her
going
now.
to apparently marry someone else. She's like, bro, what?
So that I
फिर उसको
really.
जिंदा जला देता है यार, बहुत कुछ होता
Very
है उसके
traumatic.
साथ, बेचारी के साथ।
Hey, two
ओम
movies now we
शांति ओम
mentioned
में।
where there's a death and then rebirth and all.
Correct.
Not rebirth, Kavana Pera
Yeah.
not rebirth, but double role.
It should have been, you know. तो करण अर्जुन का वो ट्रैक हो जाता कि कहुना
you-
प्यार में भी ऐसा ही हो रहा है।
Do you think that's a launch specialty कि आप if the first actor is doing it for the first time, you make
हाँ.
him do two roles in one movie?
और कौन सी
Is that
फिल्मों
the
में हुआ
answer?
है?
No, I'm saying is that the answer?
Right.
See how Hrithik did now? You give him, you're like, इसमें, do you like him in this? You like him in this?
Okay.
You
Two
show
pehlus.
different, two pehlus.
Two pehlus. ठीक है, to whichever director is
pehlus.
watching this magnum opus podcast, please take our idea seriously.
That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying. Every
Yeah.
actor, no, you make Uday Chopra. That's what was missing. He should have done two roles in one.
I think do you think मुझे कुछ कहना would be better if Tushar was
A double role.
like a गरीब and then a rich, like a full,
Yeah,
it should have been a full parody only of कहुना प्यार है, I feel.
मुझे कुछ कहना है।
for fun.
तो मुझे कुछ कहना है, just come out, मतलब came out 2001, right?
Yeah.
Kavana Pyara literally is 1 year, no?
Yeah.
That's
1 year earlier or
1 year
1 year
बाद में.
earlier.
That's so
इसीलिए you
crazy.
played a character called Ritik.
Oh, हाँ, sorry.
Okay, my number 3 is actually my number 4,
Okay.
which is Vidya Balan in Parinita.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, she did a
भाई वो
film.
भी उसका launch था.
I know, यार. See,
Debut उसका
listen,
हम 5
listen.
था.
See, Gopal ji is
हम
right.
5
हम 5.
फिल्म और
नहीं शो एक
I mean,
कपूर
look
का जो
यार.
था,
हाँ.
मैंने समझ
They've all
लिया
done-
है कदर
उसमें
का, हाँ.
विद्या बालन
Yes,
Yeah,
she
yeah,
was
yeah.
playing
Oh.
the
यार
एक-
ये तो मेरे लिए सब वो
हाँ.
है आज
yeah, she was the sister जो एक कान थोड़ी बहरी है or something like
हाँ.
that.
नहीं यार
हाँ 5
Yeah,
लड़कियां
yeah.
थी ना, एक थी वो फेमिनिस्ट.
हाँ.
फेमिनिस्ट
Then Raja, the Raja.
राजा बेटी का नाम नहीं था.
विद्या बालन
Second
हम
was-
5 में
हाँ,
थी
she was there and then she left हम 5 और कोई और
She-
actress
मैं
Yeah.
देखता था हम
उसका-
5 यार
हाँ, she left at some point.
She
दोनों.
left at some point. She didn't
वो
continue
change
the
कर दिया
entire
वो.
Okay.
They changed
series. Yeah, the
हाँ.
the
girl.
Mihir Virani dhar.
Correct.
Yeah.
फिर
Okay.
एक थी वो थोड़ी बिम्बो टाइप की जो
हाँ.
बॉय क्रेजी थी. एक थी काजल भाई जो
Kajal
गुंडा
bhai,
थी.
not Raja. Sorry.
हाँ काजल
Kajal
भाई.
bhai.
और एक थी जो गॉसिप करती रहती है.
Correct.
ये गप्पू सबसे छोटी और बातें मोटी मोटी something like that. But
Dude, I
yeah.
don't remember. No, she remembers everything. This
I
is
remember
a
only garbage like this.
dangerous-
Nothing else I remember. Maths कुछ नहीं आता है मुझे.
Who was the
मेरा
talking?
favorite-
Who was the talking?
Yeah,
portrait?
Priya Tendulkar.
Priya
वो मेरा
Tendulkar.
favorite gag
वो
था
तो
5
हाँ,
में.
was
हाँ.
great.
You have a first wife who's like constantly. It'll be fun, ना? Shahrukh suddenly starts
Suddenly starts
to me.
talking to you, yeah.
Yeah, it'll be great. Maybe you should have her photo here. Anyway, वो उसका
This is what feels wrong that Rajpal is behind me, no? Rajpal
yeah,
Yadav.
and he's saying
He's your favorite. So
He's
it
not my
feels-
favorite,
It feels
but I love
strange that
Rajpal.
I'm in front of
it's
him.
implying that
The
okay,
wrong
it's one
alignment.
day it's okay. Be a
It's
Rajpal
okay.
fan. It won't kill you. But हाँ,
So
Vidya Balan,
I almost
Parinita.
forgot, yeah.
Yeah.
Vidya
Vidya
Balan and
Balan.
Parinita, I think, given that it's a Vidhu
बहुत
Vinod Chopra
सुंदर लगी
movie,
है
she
यार.
looks amazing in
बहुत
that
सुंदर
movie.
लगी थी Vidya Balan.
And that film has Sanjay Dutt and Saif, and
Yeah.
you know, it is this like Vidhu Vinod Chopra movie. It's a,
Yeah.
but I feel like
Produced
she,
by him.
yeah,
Yeah.
she like takes it, yeah.
Yeah.
Like she's so good, she's so memorable in that,
Correct,
and the
correct.
character that she's played, she has to play the both, like the, you know, she's someone that's fit in that world. Ki you are supposed to be the bahu, you're supposed to do these things, and you're supposed to make it. But she's that spark, that firecracker character, which
Yeah.
she's like, no, I refuse to be stuck in this, you know. And then Saif's character is a little bit, you know, that classic Devdas type character,
Yeah.
wo thoda,
Yeah.
where he's miserable throughout. I
Correct.
thought she was great, and then since then, obviously Vidya Balan, I feel like anything she's in,
That's true.
I'll watch.
That's
So
true.
I
I
think she's
don't think
great.
ऐसा मैंने कोई bad Vidya Balan performance देखा है. Picture ही देखी है where
हाँ,
she's
that तो हमेशा
in
बन
bad
गई.
film because every other actor has to be. But I think even in the bad material she gets, she tries to make it.
She's damn good, yeah.
she's good
She's.
Have you seen Sherni?
Yes,
Uska?
I have.
Damn good
Yeah.
movie. Yeah.
Yeah.
She plays a forest officer usme.
Yeah.
And then there's like this tiger that's run loose through the village and is killing people. So then she's investigating. But it's a very realistic.
Yeah.
मतलब now they're looking for the tiger, but they're also thinking कि वो ecosystem पे कैसे effect हो रहा है. It's not just oh tiger को पकड़ा, the tiger's the
Like
villain.
Kaal.
It's not like Kaal. Correct. It's like very seriously grounded film and.
It is. Sherni is a very
I
good.
mean, we've
film.
spoken about Vidya before, Kahani
Priya
and all.
wrote, हाँ,
Kahani we
हाँ,
mentioned.
कहानी में मजा आया था.
शेरनी
वो
में मैं भी
episode-
था by the way
अरे,
Yeah.
was that your favorite experience? No.
Oh, what?
Nice. What
Yes.
role were you playing?
एक वही एक IFS ऑफिसर है
Okay, nice.
जो उससे मिलता है म्यूजियम में कुछ तो
हाँ. This is the type you were talking about, right? Lots of people don't get a launch on a platter. Like they have to be
You're in some
significant.
things,
They
then
have
they
to do
find
some
you.
things and then they are spotted and then they are taken.
Correct.
तो विद्या का हम 5 था. विद्या के म्यूजिक वीडियोस थे यूफोरिया के साथ,
प्रदीप सरकार के साथ
प्रदीप सरकार के साथ, who then cast
then
her
वो
in
प्रदीप सरकार directed that film
Parinita.
it was produced by
Vidhu
Vidhu
Vinod
Vinod
Chopra,
Chopra,
correct?
and
Yeah.
Pradeep
directed
Sarkar.
by Pradeep Sarkar
Correct.
Yeah. So that's
So I
where
think
she
that's what
also
happens.
comes
Like
from.
you have to make it somehow.
Yeah, when
and
you're
then
not
you
a
get the
nepo
job.
kid,
Yeah.
this is what you have to do.
Yeah, I've said I'm pro nepotism on this podcast. I love all. Listen, I love all nepotism.
I love all
I
nepotism.
love all nepotism.
Every type of net. But yeah, Vidya
my
Balan is a
father
very good
also
pick.
used to do a podcast
on real estate.
Everyone, yeah.
I
In
love
my
it.
family,
I
मतलब
love
दादा भी
everyone.
दादाजी भी
दादाजी के टाइम से
दादाजी भी podcast
podcast
करते थे.
हालांकि उस वक्त माइक इन्वेंट नहीं हुआ था
नहीं.
सही बात
तो वो
है.
वो
चौपाल
चिल्लाते
में
थे.
बैठ के चौपाल में बैठ
सुनो
गाँव में.
ऐसे करते थे टाउन
Ultimately,
स्क्वायर में.
that town square is a podcast.
Yeah,
only.
It
yeah.
really is.
Anything
Yeah,
can
yeah.
be a podcast. That's what we're here to tell you today. As 3 podcasters, we're here to
Everyone.
tell you that everyone should do a podcast.
You know, honestly, I am not. मैं वैसे भी बिहार की हूँ, वहाँ तो ये सब करते ही रहते हैं. बैठ के अरे सुनो इधर आओ. So it must be a thing. Yeah, I think it's
Think
in my
about the things
blood.
they've said on those.
Bro.
They should be recorded.
the people were actually paying on it.
Oh, Wow.
Nice number 3. My number 4, I've tried to bring some fresh young blood into
Oh
this
my God.
before I go into old blood.
Nice.
But I think at least in recent times, I'm not crazy about the movie, but I see why it worked and I see the merits. But I think Ahan Pandey had a good debut with Sayyara.
say
You went with Sayyara. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yes.
Because
Look at us.
na,
We've talked about a 2020s movie. We've made it.
as
I
elder
think
millennials.
I think this might be the first time. someone
Really?
has
That we
mentioned
mention a recent movie.
Oh my God. On a
बाप
list.
रे, on a
on a
list.
list where we put. Wow.
I
Very
just
proud of you.
think हम इतने deprive हो गए हैं ना of good launches, you know,
हाँ,
of
good
good like
launches.
ये है hero, ये है heroine, age appropriate. लग रहे हैं young, जैसे आमिर खान का क़यामत से क़यामत तक था, like it looked nice, it looked fresh
Yeah,
pairing,
yeah.
young, pretty, all of that. तो I think सैयारा में वो अच्छा लगा देख के कि there is not a 60-year-old actor romancing a 25-year-old girl, a 25-year-old actor romancing a 25-year-old
that
girl.
is
It was
not-
a nice visual
Ah.
for a change to see.
Yeah, I agree.
Also, I really like more than, I mean, they've done a good job for their debut movies. They've done a fairly decent job. I just like the strategy of telling them to shut up before the film comes. There was a lot of mystery around them.
The
उन्होंने-
launch itself was
they were
very well
not
done.
allowed to give any video interviews. Yeah, like even on social media, they were just sharing Sayyara stuff. They were not doing anything else. So I think that really helped in building that kind of intrigue, because in this day and age, सब है भाई, सब है, सब बात किए जा रहे हैं, सब 50 चीजें, like there's an over exposure of sorts.
They'll have
So I
done
like
5
the strategy.
Instagram trends they would have done by now.
Yeah, like you know,
would have
5
been-
sketches कर लेते, 5
Yeah.
ये कर. So it was nice that they kept it very low key.
Yeah.
So the first time I heard Ahan Pandey talk, probably because I've not seen the vlogs he has done before, was in Sayyara, and
I'm
I
sorry,
liked that.
One second. He's done vlogs before?
Yeah, he
Ahan
used to
do
be on
vlogs.
TikTok.
Oh,
I saw this on
no,
Reddit.
what?
Yeah, so he's
When
appeared.
TikTok was legal
Yes,
in
in
India.
India, yeah. He used to be a
wow.
TikToker. He used to be an influencer of some kind when he was
Okay.
younger. और वो अपनी बहन के भी vlogs में आता था. उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा deep dive किया भाई पे after Sayyara. Because I was
Yeah.
like, चल क्या रहा है, इसका scene देखते हैं. और एक
वाओ,
एक-
कितना टाइम है यार.
हम ये ऐसे ही
This
वेले
is
हैं ना,
what
हम
we
ऐसे
do.
ही करते हैं.
This is all we do.
This is
Look at
all
this.
we do.
Look at what's
We
happening.
sit and राजपाल यादव वहाँ से देख रहे हैं हमको. नहीं तो उसका TikTok एक वाला काफी ट्रैवल किया था हर जगह.
What?
Where he was, I'll tell you all. तो मोहब्बतें में वो जब शाहरुख खान ढोल बजा रहे हैं,
हाँ, correct.
तो I think he did a recreation of that. Ahan Pandey बहुत बड़े शाहरुख खान फैन है, तो वो ढोल बजा रहा है.
So what,
But
he
there
just
was no
came-
ढोल. So उसका बस like face था, तो it was looking like he is very vigorously
The
doing like something very intense, which I'm not going to say, but
हाँ.
like it looked like it's not.
wait, so one second.
मतलब मैं समझ गया.
हाँ,
You
समझ
are
गए ना?
saying कि वो बजा रहा है.
बजा रहा है.
बट क्या ये
क्या
नहीं
बजा रहा है नहीं
वो
पता
क्या
है.
है?
तो वो
अंदर
वायरल हो
के
गया
लोग नहीं हो सकते.
अलग. एग्जैक्टली. तो ढोल नहीं दिख रहा है, बस वो
समझ गया.
डंक चल रहा है. So
Shout
it's
out to
looking
you,
like
Ahan.
Ahan
Nice.
Pandey's career before Sayyara was fascinating.
Interesting,
Ahan
yeah,
Pandey
this is-
Sayyara was pretty fascinating. हिंदी ठीक से बोल सकता है, एक्टिंग कर लेता है थोड़ी बहुत, and even Aneet for that matter, she was very refreshing. At least
I'm more Aneet. I preferred Aneet in the film.
Yeah.
I think she had a tougher role in the sense that the hero role is
Correct,
Ahan.
correct, हाँ.
So that's set up like the Mohit
Sure,
Suri
yeah.
tragic hero.
Yeah.
इतना मतलब वो रो रहा है,
Angsty, हाँ,
वो गुस्सा
रोते हुए
है, वो-
number one.
But Aneet, I think, had to play a tougher, like more understated. role,
Yeah,
and
which
that-
could actually become irritating had it been done by a lesser
Yeah.
actor, because वो थोड़ा है convenience पे कि अरे मुझे Alzheimer's
वो थोड़ा
है, तो like yeah, it
Bollywood
could
can
be.
get a little crazy with the मैं
Yeah.
भूल गई
हाँ,
amnesia and वो
वो
सब.
after the first one I was like enough. क्या चल क्या रहा है
Yeah.
तुम्हारा? But no, she did a good job. Face is very fresh, very pretty.
Yeah.
Different face after a while. No offense, but like every actor and influencer looks the same these days,
Yeah.
guys. Same hair, same everything. So it's a little nice to see a face which is not the
I'm
same.
blown away that you've picked like Ahan Pandey. I
Hey,
did not
I'm
see
in
coming.
with the times. I'm hep.
Amazing.
I'm cool. I've used the word hep. Are you seeing
Yeah.
how hep I'm? Actually,
Are you
I said
trying-
Ahan Pandey because मुझे वो TikTok के बारे में बात करनी थी.
Ultimately, that's what it's about.
दुनिया में कितनी है नफरत.
No way.
That
So
one.
this is the song.
तो जो शाहरुख ढंग
But
ढंग
what is
कर
it?
रहा है.
I'm so blown away by this concept कि वो जो scene है, that needs so much context. There's people
Yes,
dancing.
yes.
Amitabh Bachchan has stopped them.
Correct.
Shah Rukh Khan is coming in.
पैरों में
with the
बंधन है,
drum.
पायल ने मचाया शोर
So
चल रहा है
उसका
वहाँ
he
पे.
just was like, हाँ, मैं खुद से कर लूँगा.
हाँ, तो वो
हो जाएगा.
बहुत intense लग रहा है, just very
Wow,
funny.
nice.
मोहब्बत है also segue ले रही हूँ थोड़ा सा. That was a debut
That was
of
the launches. That was
the
film was
launches
made
of
for
many,
launches.
yeah. And उनको सोचो उनको क्या लग रहा होगा? Wow, YRF, like you know, first film, शाहरुख है, अमिताभ है, हमारा career तो best होने वाला है. And then what happened?
And it went really well. What are you talking about? I
It's
loved
so
it.
sad.
They all
Yeah, it
did
makes
so
me
well.
happy. Shut up. Yeah. It makes me. I think Jimmy Shergill managed to.
Yeah, I think they did
Make a
decently.
decent
Yeah, Jimmy
career.
Shergill though did well only.
Yeah. Okay.
तो जिमी शेरगिल तो माचिस से
Yeah, that's what. He's not a.
Come on.
He's not.
नहीं
That's
मतलब
not
वो
his.
बॉलीवुड का जो that launch template ना that was mainly Uday Chopra.
हाँ, that was
Let's be
Shamita
honest.
Shetty, Uday Chopra,
Yeah.
Kim Sharma की first actual films थी
Correct.
हैं.
और ये जुगल हंसराज. but
जुगल
he-
हंसराज
he
काफी
obviously
पहले
done the
से था.
child-
No, he done पापा कहते हैं
पापा
also.
कहते हैं
पापा कहते
That was a
So
film.
there was a.
घर से निकलते ही
Correct. और प्रीति जांगियानी ने कुछ म्यूजिक वीडियोस किए थे before she.
They tried. Yeah.
हाँ,
Mohabbat
तो-
is the launch movie.
Yeah,
They tried
it
with
is.
that.
It is. And then nobody went
Wow.
anywhere. Quite
Okay.
sad. But anyway, Anand
Quite
Pandey
sad.
was my number
I'm
4,
blown
I
away.
think.
Wow, nice. So Preeti Zinta in Dil Se is
Okay.
my
Okay.
other one.
Nice. See, I'm
it's a-
sexist. मैंने एक भी बार औरतों के बारे में सोचा भी नहीं. सिर्फ लड़कों. हाँ ना ऋतिक यही सब कर रही हूँ मैं बैठ के यार.
Preeti Zinta Dil Se, I think.
Yeah.
ग्रेट लॉन्च
Great
Great
launch.
launch, yeah.
What a
Great.
character.
हाँ.
What a
एंड क्या
performance.
वो दिखी भी
ब्रेथ ऑफ
सुंदर
फ्रेश एयर ना फुल एकदम. और अदरवाइज दिल से इतनी डार्क फिल्म है.
हाँ,
प्रीति जिंटा
correct.
कैरेक्टर इतना फन था
Very
कि
light.
पूछे वर्जन हो क्या. लाइक इट वाज वेरी. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया था उसको देख के.
Also, her interaction with Shahrukh is so playful. Ki she also knows that he loves someone else.
या शाहरुख क्या दुखियारी था यार उसके पास
Yeah.
में. प्रीति रियली डिजर्व बेटर हाँ इन दिस.
Preeti did deserve better.
बट शी इज द ओनली वन हु इज अलाइव.
Yeah. I mean, what else? I mean, Dil Se is a great film. I think,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
obviously, but it's a very intense movie, like you said. Like the whole Manisha Koirala, Shah Rukh Khan is like.
हाँ बहुत
that
डाउनर है
obsession.
यार आफ्टर अ पॉइंट.
She's a terrorist.
Yeah,
He's like,
dude,
but
like,
I'm
come
fine
on.
with it. वो लोग
But yeah.
then and all
Preeti
these
brings
sand
this levity to
Yeah.
the film which is otherwise very.
Also, like the dynamic I really like कि वो लोग बात कर रहे हैं pretty openly कि she says I liked a boy
हाँ.
और वो चला गया दुबई.
हाँ,
That's the
हाँ,
scene. She's
हाँ,
like,
हाँ.
I liked a boy, वो तो, but he liked Dubai more. So
Yeah,
now
yeah.
we're no longer together. And he's like, हाँ, I also love someone else. And she's completely calm with it.
Yeah.
Which you don't see यार in movies like that.
Yeah.
कि ऐसा openly वो conversation हो रहा है.
Correct.
Without any, how can
Yeah.
you like someone? All of that. No, she's like, हाँ, cool.
Yeah.
But she still falls for him. And she looked great. I thought, and she's like, what, 19?
Wow
She
यार
was
बहुत
19
सुंदर
when she
लगी है.
was
बहुत
very
सुंदर
young,
लगी है
yeah.
दिल से में. What a
So what
beautiful
she
face.
pulled off
What
was
cute dimple.
incredible. So
बहुत very nice.
Fan.
Yeah.
That's what else? That's all I have to say.
That's all. अच्छी लग रही थी.
I thought you would say something about Preeti
And
Zinta.
no, like I said, वो otherwise दिल से काफी थोड़ा मोरोस हो रहा था. तो प्रीति जिंटा was very refreshing.
जी हाँ,
And
जले.
again वो lime and वो पहली बार I saw on screen was in the soap ad यार. Liril, correct. She was the Liril
What
girl.
we're realizing is ads.
Ads are the best way
Are the
to
best
find
way to
fresh
find,
faces.
yeah.
She was the Liril girl.
Yeah.
And there was this ad she had done where she's dancing under the waterfall and everything. And everybody was like, who is this girl? She's so pretty. फिर उसने एक I think कोई chocolate का ad भी किया था. And then she was in Dil Se. She was going to make another movie with Shekhar Kapoor called Tara Rampam or something. वो बनी नहीं. फिर उसको दिल से मिला, so she did दिल से. And then क्या कहना and all of that जो भी.
I like her and Shah Rukh as a pairing.
And
in
they
the
never
sense
end
that
up
they never
together.
end
दिल
up
चाहता
together.
है
दिल चाहता है में
also
शाहरुख
she's
नहीं
great.
है.
नहीं
But she like her.
हाँ, Preeti, very
Her
nice.
hair and that.
she was so good
Damn good.
So pretty.
Damn good. Shah Rukh and her are a
refreshing है.
pairing that are cursed, by the way.
हाँ, वीर ज़ारा में they do end up together,
मतलब
but after so
22
many
years in
years.
jail.
Yeah.
So like Dil Se he dies.
Yeah. Kalo na ho, he
Kalo na ho,
dies.
he's dying.
Yeah.
Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, he's cheating on her.
Correct. Yeah.
Veer Zara, he's in jail.
Yeah.
They
They're
don't
not
end up
meant to
together
be.
only.
They're
मतलब
not
उनका यही है कि
हर movie में.
they never
Yeah.
end up together.
Poor thing, yeah. That's sad. But no, great. Preeti Zinta is a good pick. My number 5 is a tie. And because we're talking about launches, big launches, I think Kumar Gaurav in Love Story and Rahul
तो.
Roy in Aashiki.
हाँ
के first फिल्में
correct
were like, whoa,
Yeah.
what is this? Like,
Yeah.
उनके albums were एकदम very successful. The films
again
were
she's
super
talking
hits.
about Rahul Roy not Anu Agrawal उसकी
Yeah,
भी
I
पहली
told you मैं sexist हूँ यार. I'm saying I only see men in this
keep her in
list.
check. This
अच्छा.
She openly is like, I just hate.
I hate
actresses.
women. I hate actresses. मुझे सिर्फ actors पसंद. That's true. That's true. अनु अग्रवाल मुझे register ही नहीं हुई. Because,
Wow.
वो
it's true.
Listen.
Okay, because आशिकी फिल्म मैंने एक बार देखी है, पर वो जो टाइटल ट्रैक है सासू की जरूरत वो मैंने 50 बार देखा है और उसमें सिर्फ राहुल रॉय है और दीपक तिजोरी है, उसमें अनु अग्रवाल नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली. तो मुझे एसोसिएशन राहुल रॉय एंड कुमार सानू के
I've
साथ
done all
actually.
this. I've not seen either movie. I just joined the bandwagon ki
For
हाँ,
fun,
हाँ,
हाँ,
नहीं,
तू
but
ऐसी
I
है.
have
You
not
just
seen it.
you're a sick
my-
man, Karan. You're a
All
sick.
I know is my mom loves Kumar Gaurav. That's my only piece of information.
Many women
Many
really
women
loved Kumar
Yeah,
Gaurav
he
when
was-
Love
he
Story
was
came
busy.
out.
really
Na?
good looking.
Yeah, प्यार कहाँ है? Anyway, but now we are on a sobering note because both these guys had like the perfect first films. और उसके बाद their career unfortunately could never recreate that kind of success. Any movie they did because they tried, nothing reached that
They
level.
didn't have TikToks.
They didn't
That's
have
what you
TikTok,
need.
basically.
You need a TikTok.
Yeah,
You need
yeah.
to follow a
You
trend.
need to figure
That's
things
how
out.
you make it.
That's true. They didn't. I think Rahul Roy came on Big Boss later.
He did?
Yeah, one of the seasons. I don't remember which one, but he was there. Yeah, but Kumar Gaurav, I don't think he did.
He
But
did. Kumar Gaurav did Kaate.
He
yeah.
did Kaate. He did
Kaate,
Kaate.
important more role in
Yes, of course.
his
In a
life.
cast which had Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjay Dutt, and all these people.
But I
Kumar
walked out
Gaurav.
saying that Kumar Gaurav guy. Love him.
Shut up, yeah. No, so it's like, destiny, fate, and all of that plays a very important role in
Yeah,
these
man,
things.
a
It's
launch is
crazy.
like anything can
Because
happen
after
after.
this type, like Hrithik ka bhi, Bechara, when after Kaho Na Pyare, when his other movies started flopping, there were magazine covers like with finished and everything on his face and everything. Then he did Koi Mil Gaya with his father again, which then kind of relaunched his career. But,
But
these
are we
guys
talking
didn't get
only
that.
about actors? No.
Yeah, only actors.
Oh,
We've
अच्छा.
done director debuts.
अच्छा.
But do you have any?
Otherwise, launch तो मेरे ख्याल से A.R. रहमान से बड़ा launch
wow.
किसी का नहीं था.
Okay.
Yeah,
रोजा.
Yeah.
Roja.
जो
Yeah.
वो and वो
Changed.
across the
Absolutely. And even now, the
Even now,
beats are so
oof.
fresh that he
Yeah.
makes. He's a वो भगवान का आदमी है.
वो हाँ.
That is not
वैसा
yeah.
launch
कोई
वैसा
Yeah.
डेब्यू किसी का नहीं है. मतलब इतना
That's true.
आते ही मतलब he was God.
फाड़ दो. And yeah, that talent is not. It's not human.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
comes from a gift. Like you are
Correct,
blessed.
correct.
That
Even
kind of.
आज भी रोजा के गाने ऐसे लगते हैं कि what
Incredible.
sound, what is
Absolutely.
this sound?
And like Roja, Bombay, Dil Se, all the albums
All
like
the albums.
he's worked
हाँ,
on extensive. It's
First was रोजा.
it's crazy.
Roja,
Yeah.
हाँ, तो वो
Yeah.
एक वो
Get na
दूसरा
Rahman
मुझे
on your podcast.
एक और मुझे लॉन्च
हाँ.
पे बात करना जो
हाँ.
आप लोगों ने मिस किया दोनों ने लिस्ट में.
हाँ बोलिए.
वो है इरफान खान का लॉन्च. हासिल.
Hasil.
Yeah.
What a
Oh my
film.
God, what a
Oh,
movie.
what
And what a
a film.
performance.
He's
My
What a
incredible.
God.
performance. मतलब
What a guy,
you
yeah.
fall in love with the villain.
Fully.
मतलब he
fully,
was
fully.
so good in that film.
Yeah.
बाप रे.
Hasil
And Irfan
is-
also has done so much TV before, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah,
he had
but-
done so many star bestseller episodes and everything. He
everything.
was
Chandrakanta.
yeah.
Many things.
many things.
But
his launch was
this
Hasil.
Hasil-
Yeah.
Movie
was-
first movie was Hasil.
मतलब first launch.
Launch like proper
Yeah.
launch.
Movies तो उन्होंने
की
He must have been there forever.
he was there in Salam Bombay or
Yeah.
he was
True,
there
true.
in एक डॉक्टर की मौत
Okay.
with Pankaj Kapoor. But the commercial
Correct,
Hindi
correct.
Bollywood film launch
Correct,
was
correct.
Hasil.
Correct, yeah.
And
what
उनकी
performance,
उनकी
बाप रे.
entry shot in Heather is still what I think about.
Oh,
Yeah.
What a
Best
क्या
entry ever.
CT मार. Literally, it's like I'm so happy he's got that
रूहदार,
खान वाली
yeah.
entry जो होती है ना, but which you
Like,
keep
yeah,
for
the
like.
नाम भी क्या है रूहदार.
What a,
And they have all
what
those
a
shots of
scene,
the
bro.
snow
What a
and the
scene.
silent
Yeah.
अरे,
Kashmir,
there
and then
and
suddenly,
like there,
मतलब वो एकदम is blurry ना in the distance, and then he comes.
the background score that plays when he enters,
That
it just
guitar is riff is amazing.
hero entry he had.
That
Yeah.
is my favorite. I don't like hero entries. I get very annoyed
हाँ.
when they do that. वो जो पैर पहले
I
दिखा
तो
रहे हैं.
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है.
फिर एक मतलब हाथ का they're just
हाँ.
showing. Oh,
Correct.
that's his
सलमान
finger.
मूवी होगी तो ब्रेसलेट घूमेगा.
Bracelet.
मेरे को
Oh.
लगता है ये बहुत बढ़िया स्पूफ बन सकता है. हीरो एंट्री,
Hero
उसका
entry.
जूता,
Yeah.
उसका
फिर
जूता.
नाखून, फिर घुटना, फिर
फिर करते रहो.
फिर ये
It should get
फिर
uncomfortable.
और चेहरे तक पहुंचे ही नहीं.
Neck.
नेक पे खत्म.
But this happened. I remember when
Part two.
when they revealed in क्योंकि सास भी कभी होती है Mihir Virani. Remember he came
हाँ,
back.
हाँ,
वो मर
हाँ.
गया था तो they brought him back from the
हाँ,
dead.
correct.
तो one whole episode he's just appearing. He's not मतलब वो उसका जूता मतलब 10 मिनट के लिए वही दिखा रहे हैं. They're just They are just building up.
अच्छा ऑलरेडी किया उन्होंने हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट.
They have done
That's हमारा concept.
You'll watch these
पहले के
episodes,
लिए.
you're like, कुछ हुआ नहीं in the full episode.
That's true.
For 40 minutes, huh?
Of course.
And it's just, he's here. So,
What a...
hey, who are we talking about? Irfan Khan.
इरफान खान से तुम अमर उपाध्याय
I'm
पे
sorry,
पहुंच
यार.
गए हो. That's crazy.
Now it feels like we talked about Irfan, I'm going to be in trouble. But
But
I'm going to talk about a character, an actor that I mentioned a lot.
okay,
And we disagree on.
okay.
but
Imran Khan? वो भी उसका लॉन्च ही था. वो जो जीता ही सिकंदर में था.
हाँ,
as
but
a-
that-
उसका पैंट निकाल देते हैं.
हाँ, that's true.
वो भागता है, बम
Imran
दिखा
Khan
के.
and Jani Tu I really liked.
Yeah,
हाँ, he
that's
was
true.
good.
That's a very.
It's a very like charming.
Even I
launch.
like.
And
I
Genelia
like-
also.
Yeah,
Genelia
yeah.
also, yeah.
Very
That
charming
wasn't
film.
her first film
First,
though.
not first film,
but very
she
cute.
was really good.
Great coupling again. They looked very fresh,
They looked
very
really nice
cute
together.
And Imran बहुत अच्छा काम किया उस फिल्म
I think that whole film has a fresh, like young kids, like making it that it had that Kayamat Se vibe in the sense that just like his uncle did.
Yeah.
He's also debuting in that way. The song is also,
हाँ.
I think, referencing that only. That Pappu
Pappu
Khan
Khan yeah.
The
Has Shakun Batra dressed like Amir Khan
Amir Khan from Papa
कहते
कहते हैं ना.
हैं.
तो it is very much like
Yeah,
वो reference
yeah,
कर रहा है
बहुत
कि
reference कर
ये
रहा है.
वही है.
Oh.
It's a
हाँ.
lot of fun. Yeah. That's a good.
But, and
debut.
Imran, we've
और
spoken
very
about-
good performance by Imran Khan.
And
no,
the
no
whole
doubt
film
about
is
that.
him sort of making fun of the launch element. Ki
Yeah.
If you think about it, they're talking about the stories also, what it takes to be a hero.
Yeah.
कि वो you have to fight someone.
Yeah.
You have to run on a horse.
Yeah.
वो सब मतलब वो जो 90s का energy था.
Correct.
So it's nice that his movie is like but I'm not going to do all of that. Which was nice.
Which was nice. Yeah, I like यार. I'm not a hater. I just don't
ये
think.
जाने तो या जाने ना का थोड़ा है.
I just think उसको बहुत ज़्यादा hype. मैं कुछ बोलने ही नहीं वाली हूँ ये सब के बारे में. कुछ मुझे बहुत गालियाँ पड़ती हैं otherwise. And my last special mention is because I think the episode will be incomplete without mentioning him. Himesh Reshammiya in Aapka Surur.
Oh my god.
Because you know what? He's not a good actor. Let's put that
How
out
dare
there.
you
But
say
he's very
that.
smart. He's a very smart man because everyone thought he spoof कर रहा है. कि everyone thought it's a joke that he's coming as a hero in a movie.
Yeah.
But that movie first of all made a lot of money.
It did, yeah.
It made much more money than what people expected.
How?
And he knows his core audience, which is rickshawalas. Okay, because in a scene in that film, he makes rickshawalas come to Germany to save him. Because they made him who he is. It's insane.
Makes
Literally,
all the
an
sense.
army of rickshaws come in
They come
Germany.
and they save him,
And they
correct.
save
He's
him. They
getting
save his
kidnapped.
character because that's his core fan base. I'm like, dude, you're not a talented actor, 100%, but you have a thought. You have something in
Yeah.
you that makes you do all
This
these
was
things.
that Himesh
so I
Ran,
appreciate
no?
that.
Himesh Ran, where he's always playing a rock star only.
Where he's playing a rock
Every
star.
movie, matlab, he's a singer.
I mean, the success of this movie made people think for some time that Himesh is a bankable star. It kind
and,
of...
wait, Badass
yeah.
Ravi Kumar just came out.
Yeah, I mean last year, but yes, it came out and it was
He's
amazing.
still a bankable
He is
star.
a bankable star.
I mean, I don't know if I would say, I'm not saying anything about the acting. Love you, Himesh.
Love you,
Great.
Himesh. You know me. I'm the biggest
I
fan.
love his music. I love his
I
albums.
love his music. Yeah, but and his concerts. Himesh concert, everyone should go to. It's crazy. बहुत
You've
मजा
gone?
आता है. I have. एक बार गई हूँ, बहुत मजा आया था. सबको जाना चाहिए.
Okay.
But yes, Himesh Reshammiya, आपका सूर. What's up? What's happening?
I can't believe you've done this.
I
can't
why
believe
not?
That's your honorable mention.
It's my special mention.
Okay.
It's not
so
honorable.
On that note,
Yes.
I think I have some. I'll just list out some honorable mentions that I
Okay,
have.
okay.
I said Shahid in Ishq Wishq.
Yeah.
Remember that was a nice launch.
Okay,
With
yes.
there was 3 launches, right? There was Amrita
Yeah.
Rao as well.
Yeah, and Shehnaz
Shehnaz as well.
Treasury
I liked how it was packaged. Ki these are 3 new actors.
I agree.
Nice,
And
cute.
we need more movies like
More
that.
cute,
यार.
yeah,
Come
more
on.
cute
दो
college
इश्क विश 2
stories.
नहीं चली.
There's an Ishq Wish too.
ये देखो ये हो रहा है हमारी लॉन्चेस के साथ आजकल बट या नहीं चली.
I thought you were joking.
No, Rohit इश्क विश रीलोडेड इट्स कॉल्ड. अरे ऋतिक की niece was in it. niece
What?
हुई ना राजेश रोशन की बेटी
Hey,
पश्मीना.
I didn't even know it came out, so
Yeah,
I
it
don't know.
came
Maybe
out.
it's good. Yeah, I don't know. I've not
But
seen
no,
it.
Shahid is good.
Shahid Ishq Wish, Ranbir and Savarya. Even though I didn't like Savarya, I like
Same.
Ranbir and Savarya.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's it. Let's move on. It's fine.
And me showing his butt.
Yeah, I liked him in it. But
Yeah,
okay.
he's a good actor.
Anyway, those were our top 5s.
Yeah.
He came in to talk about Godfather. He
Yeah.
wore a t-shirt
Godfather.
and I was like, Mihir
फिर
Virani.
मैंने सोचा था मैं अपनी फेवरेट फिल्म फिडलर ऑन द रूफ की बात करूंगा. वो भी सब
Excellent.
लॉन्च था बहुत सारे.
Excellent,
वो एक
excellent.
प्ले था जो
Yes.
बाद में फिल्म बना और
Yeah.
उसमें
हमने
पहले
फिल्म ऑन द
तो
रूफ
पॉल
प्ले
को ऑस्कर मिला
एनुअल
था.
प्रोग्राम में किया है. वाओ.
पहली
Yeah.
फिल्म और एक ही फिल्म की शायद उसने.
ओके.
वो प्ले था और प्ले के ही एक्टर
हम्म.
फिल्म में थे
फिल्म में
और
भी थे.
उसमें ऑस्कर मिला.
आप ये बात कर रहे हो, हम हिमेश रेशमिया और
अभी
अमर
I just
उपाध्याय की
meant-
बात
I
कर
don't
रहे
know,
हैं.
क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुत ही
That's true.
launch है.
हाँ वही.
But you know, best of both worlds. That
Best
is
of
the
both
beauty
worlds.
of
चलो.
Range.
cinema and range. Done.
But,
और सबका पहला इम्पोर्टेंट है भाई.
Exactly.
तो हमारा भी
Good plug.
पहला
Good plug. Good
जो
plug.
है आ चुका है पहला पॉडकास्ट.
Lovely.
Absolutely.
पहला विद गोपाल था,
पहला
जिसका कप मुझे नहीं दिया.
हाँ.
तो
ये भी
आप
you
लोग
can take
देखिए
this also.
IVM पॉप पे, है ना.
Nice, that was good. See, we've
Yeah.
never done it like that.
No.
और
No
जहाँ
one
भी
calls us
देखते हैं,
anywhere.
YouTube पे कहीं भी
Watch it wherever you listen to
हाँ.
it.
Yeah.
When you're driving, when you're cooking, when you're cleaning.
No, watch it,
whatever
but
you're
it'll be a
up to.
good video. Don't
Nice.
listen only. Watch also.
watch
No,
also.
Yeah, yeah. No, watch it. Audio,
Quite
video is important.
watchable
Videos
people are
important.
Video is
coming.
important.
Watchable people are coming. Exactly. You've got
Yeah,
nice
yeah.
looking people, everything.
Exactly.
Why not? Great.
Exactly.
Bye.
Bye.
चलो,
Tell
bye
us in the
bye.
comments
Bye
what
bye.
you like and what you don't.
Tell us your top 5 and why Himesh is not on it.
Hey, bye.
Bye.